Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to make iced tea lemon flavor. First, gather your simple ingredients: black tea bags, fresh lemons, and your preferred sweetener. Next, we will brew a concentrated tea base. Then we'll add the lemon and sugar, ensuring a perfect balance of sweet and tart. Finally, we'll chill and serve this refreshing beverage. This easy method ensures a delicious drink every time. To begin, boil about 4 cups of fresh water. Once boiling, pour it over 6 to 8 black tea bags in a heat-proof pitcher or large jar. Let the tea steep for approximately 5 minutes to create a strong, flavorful base. After steeping, carefully remove the tea bags, gently squeezing them to get every last drop of delicious tea. This concentrated brew is key to a robust iced tea. While your tea is still warm, add about 1/2 cup of granulated sugar. Stir it thoroughly until the sugar completely dissolves, ensuring no grainy texture. Next, squeeze the fresh juice from 2 to 3 lemons directly into the tea. Adjust the amount of lemon to your taste, aiming for a pleasant balance of tartness. This step infuses that classic lemon flavor we all love. Now, pour your lemon tea concentrate into a large pitcher and add 4 cups of cold water to dilute it to your desired strength. Stir well to combine everything. Place the pitcher in the refrigerator for at least 2 hours, allowing it to chill completely. Serve over ice with extra lemon slices if desired. For other great kitchen finds, like leak-proof containers for easy meal prep, check the description below for links and other deals. Enjoy your refreshing homemade iced tea.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.